Hi friends, today we're repairing a Kraton air compressor. The problem is that the check valve on this compressor has broken. You can see the full name on the screen. I'll show you what happened to the compressor now. It simply fell apart because the components are made of very cheap metal. The valve completely disintegrated, and part of it remained in the compressor. The valve thread remained in the compressor itself, and I had to split it with a screwdriver, but in doing so, I damaged the threads. The threads will have to be recut to tighten the valve. I bought some taps to cut the threads and remove any imperfections. Afterwards, I want to apply sealant because there will still be some minor imperfections. It's a heat-resistant sealant and seems to be of good quality. Done, friends. I'll apply some sealant again now for a better seal. I'll wait until tomorrow and then I'll test it. So, friends, the compressor holds pressure and there are no leaks. The sealant does its job 100%. I bolted the turbo mounts on without sealant and everything holds pretty well. I don't hear any leaks. Now I've pumped up to full pressure and let's try blowing through the gun. As you can see, everything works. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.